Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I've been cooking up a storm in the kitchen. I've put in a load of food in the oven all at once to save electricity because I've got an electric oven, and it prepares a few meals for a few days so I don't have to keep cooking. So what did I make? I make some chicken satay, my son's favourite. I got these little baby potatoes with butter and spices reduced in Aldi for 30% off. I bought a packet of 6 chicken thighs. I've cooked 2 separately, just roasted them, and 4 of them I roasted for a little while, and then I threw in a bag of reduced Oriental stir fry. And I had a red pepper, so I chopped that up and threw that in as well, and I covered it all in this cheapy sweet and sour sauce. I get this from Aldi for £1. I bought some reduced jam roly-poly. I've not seen that before in Asda. It was £1.61, so I thought, okay, I'll give it a go. I know it's just like an old-fashioned Swiss roll, but I've got a tin of custard there, so I thought, oh, I'll have that with the custard. So that's easy enough for 2 to 4 people. And the obligatory baked potatoes, because I just think, well, if you've got the oven on, you might as well bake some potatoes for lunch for the next day. So tonight's tea is looking great. We'll probably have a combination of them. And there's plenty there for another couple of days as well. So thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and please like, share and subscribe if you could be so kind. Bye for now.